we are still under that blizzard warning for the Champlain Valley and Seaway Valley, along with a lot of the Northeast and the rest of our area under the pink for the rest of Vermont, northern New York, into New Hampshire, Maine, the rest of New York, all under a winter storm warning until tomorrow evening. Just means a lot of snow is on the way and will continue to fall throughout the rest of the evening. Plus, we'll have some wind and very, very heavy snowfall rates that will contribute to very poor visibility. 1 to 2, maybe even up to 3 inches per hour at times, with a couple of these little bands that'll really pack a punch, bringing us whiteout conditions with visibility potentially below 1/4 mile at times, and even for extended periods of time later on this afternoon. Some of us have already seen a taste of that. Add that to the snow-covered roads, and it is a bad combo. You've got very low visibility right now. This is the road along Georgia. You can barely see the cars driving along there, and of course the road crews are doing a great job of clearing, but it's going to be tough to keep up with these snowfall rates that'll be dumping that snow so quickly later on this evening. This is a live look in Mount Holly along Route 103. Again, much of the same, low visibility for the entire area, near 1/2 mile or less for parts of the Champlain Valley, 1/4 mile. In Plattsburgh, visibility there is as well as Saranac Lake. It's under 1 mile in places like Middlebury, Montpelier, Lebanon, and Springfield. Not good, especially when you have really slick roads. If you must drive, please use extra caution, go extremely slow. It is going to be slick even when you don't even have that much snow yet, but we'll get more. As you can see, that heavier band of snow making its way towards the Champlain Valley as it lifts north, with even heavier bands off to the south in southern Vermont. Plattsburgh, Burlington, again, under 2 inches of accumulation so far, but roads are still very slippery. Northern New York, the snow there has been steady all morning. A little bit lighter though, but they have seen accumulations continue. And in central Vermont, a little band that's making its way north through Middlebury, Salisbury, as well as Mariah, Ticonderoga, some heavier showers there now. And again, southern Vermont getting that heavy band making its way north through Bennington and Windham counties. And it's all lifting north. They've had totals in Dutchess County, New York, as well as parts of Connecticut that have been over 1 foot and 1.5 feet already in some places. That is all headed in our direction. 5 inches so far in Putney. This is according to Kim, who shared this photo on my Facebook page. Thanks so much, Kim, for that photo. We've got another one here. As you can see, not much snow in Swanton so far, but Brenda did share that picture, and this is just the beginning. So keep that in mind. It's only going to continue to get worse. So far, about 5 inches in Putney, Landgrove 4.5, 3.8 in Wilmington, South Burlington 1.5 so far, and about 1.8 in Williamstown. And this is what it looks like in Burlington, 20 degrees with that very low visibility. Wind will be an issue, of course, only reducing that visibility even more. Here's our snowfall forecast. We did, compared to earlier this morning, extend that a little bit further east when it comes to those higher totals, near 1.5 to 2 feet possible in the Green Mountains and areas east of there, and in the Champlain Valley, likely to be over 1 foot, maybe even up to 1.5 feet, and even a little bit more in some localized areas of that snow between today and tomorrow. So we've got a long way to go. Again, this has only been a couple of hours in the making, and we've already got that snow adding up. Add the wind to the mix. Like I mentioned, sustained wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the north, gusts near 35 and even up close to 45 miles per hour at times tonight, and especially overnight tonight. Could see some localized power outages. Luckily, that snow won't be very heavy, so hopefully we'll avoid a lot of those. But you always get them when you've got instances like this, and this is why. Look at all that snow all the way through this evening. It's heavy and widespread. It does lighten up a little bit into tomorrow morning early, but we're still going to see some steadier, lighter showers in the area all the way through tomorrow morning before it continues to taper off as you head into especially Wednesday afternoon and Thursday afternoon. That's also when we dry up a little bit. We're going to jump temperatures just a tad as well. So after we get through this mess on our hands on today and Wednesday, Friday is nice and dry, but then there are hints at another snowstorm that'll bring a few more inches of snow between Saturday and Sunday.